In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cam on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WOLFBOX I07 Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX I07 Dash Cam is a high-performance car DVR designed for comprehensive and reliable recording. It features triple camera recording with ultra-wide-angle lenses, 150 degrees front, 160 degrees interior, and 155 degrees rear, that capture 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p HD footage, ensuring all-around coverage. The device boasts a 4K front camera, a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, and advanced features like 6 infrared night vision LEDs powered by a Starvis sensor for exceptional low-light performance, making it ideal for ride-sharing drivers. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi enable speed and location tracking, video management, and sharing via an app compatible with iOS and Android. Dual parking monitoring modes provide 24/7 protection with collision detection and time-lapse recording. Equipped with a Type-C power supply, supercapacitors, and a Sony IMX327 imaging sensor, the dashcam ensures durability, reliability, and high-quality video output. Additional features include loop recording, G-sensor, motion detection, waterproofing, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, and external GPS. With easy rear camera installation and a sleek design, the WOLFBOX I07 offers a user-friendly and feature-packed solution for drivers seeking safety and convenience. Number 2. AZDOME M550 Pro Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a high-performance car dash cam available in 2 configurations, 2-channel, 2CH, and 3-channel, 3CH. It features 4K resolution for front recording, with additional options for rear and cabin cameras, offering video resolutions up to 4K plus 1080p or 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p. The device supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video downloads and includes a built-in GPS for speed, route, latitude, and longitude tracking. It comes with advanced features like IR night vision, G-sensor for collision detection, time-lapse parking mode, and a wide 150-degree viewing angle. The dashcam supports a maximum external memory of 256 GB, includes a free 64 GB SD card, and records in MP4 format using H.264 for video encoding. Designed with durability in mind, it operates in temperatures ranging from -20 to 70 and incorporates features like waterproofing and anti-vibration. The M550 Pro is powered by a corded electric source and uses supercapacitors for enhanced reliability. Accessories include a backup camera, USB car charger, cable hiding clips, and more. The device is compatible with an app for control and supports multiple languages. It is certified with CE, FCC, RoHS, and WEEE standards, making it a reliable and feature-rich option for vehicle monitoring and safety. Number 3. REDTIGER Dash Camera. The REDTIGER Dashcam is a high-performance car DVR system designed for enhanced safety and convenience. It features advanced configurations such as a 4K front-facing camera paired with either dual 1080p or 2.5K rear cameras, providing exceptional clarity for both road conditions and vehicle interiors. With adjustable rear camera angles, it accommodates various vehicle types, ensuring optimal coverage. Key features include loop recording with a complimentary 64 GB memory card, G-sensor emergency recording for collision detection, upgraded night vision for clear images in low-light conditions, and built-in 5G Wi-Fi for fast data transmission. The device supports a wide view angle, 130 to 170 degrees, records in MP4 format with H.265 video coding, and offers a maximum external memory capacity of 256 GB. Additional functionalities include a parking monitor, real-time surveillance, GPS logging, and anti-vibration technology. The package includes essential accessories like power cables, GPS mounts, and user manuals, making it a comprehensive solution for safe and efficient driving. Number 4. LINGDU V620 Dash Cam. The LINGDU V620 is a feature-rich car DVR designed to enhance driving safety and provide comprehensive surveillance. It offers dual-channel video recording with a front and rear camera, supporting resolutions up to 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. Equipped with built-in GPS, it logs key data such as time, speed, and location, which can be accessed via its dedicated app or GPS player. The device features Wi-Fi 6 for fast data transfer, Bluetooth connectivity for seamless pairing, and voice control for hands-free operation. Advanced safety features include ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, with alerts like front collision, lane departure, and front cargo. The 24-hour parking mode ensures constant monitoring when paired with hardwire kits. It utilizes supercapacitor technology for improved reliability and temperature resistance, eliminating issues associated with traditional batteries. With a maximum frame rate of 60 frames per second, night vision, wide-angle coverage, and support for up to 128 GB of external memory, the LINGDU V620 is a robust and reliable dashboard camera for modern drivers. Number 5. AZDOME GS63H Dash Cam. The AZDOME GS63H Dash Cam is a high-performance car DVR offering 4K Ultra HD resolution, 2880x2160p, to capture crystal-clear footage, making it ideal for post-incident reviews. Equipped with a robust Novatec NT96660 processor and a Sony IMX335 sensor, it ensures smooth recordings and enhanced night vision capabilities with Starvis Super Night Vision and WDR technology. The dashcam features a 170 degrees wide-angle lens for comprehensive road coverage, built-in GPS for accurate route and speed tracking, and Wi-Fi 6 for seamless app connectivity within a 3 to 5 meter range. It supports 24-hour parking monitoring with a 250 mAh battery, wiring kit sold separately, and includes advanced features like motion detection, G-sensor, anti-vibration, waterproofing, and real-time surveillance. The device is portable, has an LCD display, supports up to 128 GB external memory, and is compatible with multiple languages. With a sleek design and CE, FCC, RoHS certifications, it ensures reliable performance for everyday driving safety.